Good morning, everyone. We just came back from breakfast and I just finished packing, and now we're going to go to the other hotel in the Woodlands. What we're doing other than that today, I'm not really sure, but we'll see. But apparently it has a spa, but we don't have time for that. I guess I'll head out now. Oh, and then at the next hotel, I'm sharing a room with my parents, so that's gonna be a little bit awkward when I film the intros and outros, but we'll see. Hey everyone, we just came back from the restaurant. There we had some great food, and we also had a flight of beer, I think it's called, and it was the Texas tour, so it had like 4 different flavors. I can't really remember exactly what it was, but I would have showed you in like some clip by now. And what else did we do today? We also went to the mall. There we bought some stuff. Oh, and also we watched Chernobyl on HBO Go. Which is on TV here, so that's really nice. And also in the morning we watched the soccer game from the Dutch women's team, and they made it to the knockout rounds, so that's nice. And yeah, tomorrow we're going to the baseball game, and I'm really looking forward to that.